Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AFH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today. I mean, when you factor in that not that long ago the price was down here and now all of a sudden the price is all the way up there, any rational person would say, yeah, the price has certainly made a very nice move. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out this question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at 67 cents. Why is 67 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. I agree. So with that in mind, think about 67. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that'd be putting the price right back to where it was. And not to insult your intelligence, but yeah, price movements that go back to where they were, not a sign of big strength. Whereas let's say the price goes down here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, sure, it would pull back, and that's not the greatest thing. However, think about it as far as where the lows would be at. That would imply that there's a set of lows right there, that there's a set of lows right there, that there's even a low down there. And if you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, the quote-unquote progress point, again, just being defined as 67 cents. What about levels of resistance going into Monday? As far as where the sellers are at, right up there at 75 cents on two separate occasions. The price tried to push up through there, couldn't quite do it. So let it be the main battleground going forward. And that area is definitely within striking distance, so it's not unreasonable at all to think that a breakout could happen early next week. But anyway, look at it. Great movement today, great volume, and we'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.